Hi, this is Tang News. The ecosystem is growing at an incredible pace, and we're excited to share the latest updates with you in a short news format. First up, Tang listed on Robinhood U.S. Tang has reached an important milestone. Tang Coin is now available on Robinhood U.S. This listing expands access to one of the largest retail investor bases in the country and provides a regulated entry point into Tang ecosystem. Key points: over 20 million active Robinhood users in the US can now buy, sell, and hold Tang Coin alongside other assets. Robinhood operates under a US regulatory framework, offering a compliant and transparent way to access Tang. The listing enables US investors to buy, sell, and hold Tang Coin with the same ease as stocks or ETFs, lowering barriers to entry for new participants to the Tang ecosystem. This listing represents Tang's progress in expanding global accessibility, while aligning the regulatory standards that ensure transparency and trust. Extension alert: Ethena's 20% APY Boost extended until September 25. The Ethena Boost campaign has been extended for 4 more weeks. Now you have from August 28th to September 25th to continue earning yields on Tang with TS/USDE. What's available? Up to 20% APY with TS/USDE for DeFi platforms: Affluent, EVA, StoneFi, and Fiva. Multiple rewards stacked: base yield plus boost plus protocol rewards. Double the boost: 10% APY in wallets plus 10% APY in DeFi. Cap of 20,000 TS/USDE total. That's all for today. Please subscribe, like, and leave your comments. Your support helps more people learn about Tang, and we can grow even faster.